I'm so scared. So scared. It started up like a lump. I was supposed to take it out, but I had a lot going on with me. I had lots of back and forth. They ran the test and they said that the lump is cancerous. So we have to.
Ndị be anyị nekwa n'anya nwanne anyị nwaanyị a afịa bụ Blessing Okoro nke onye ọbụla ji Blessing CEO wee mata ọ gịnị na-emezi ka ọ bịa na-ebe akwa na o nwee kansa and na kansa ya nọzi stage 4 Chineke ọ gịnị na-emezi biko ama m ihe ọbụla gbasara kansa mana ịbazi stage 4 gosiri na ọ pụọna n'egwu bikonu amakwa m ka a ga-esi kọọ ihe a ọ pụtazie na-ebe akwa ndị mmadụ gbatabịa nyere ya aka nakwa na ọ na-anwụkwa anwụ unu nekwa n'anya unu afụ ka ntụtụ ya na-ehopụcha ma ọ bụkwa n'eziokwu unu mana ihe na-emezi na soshal midia ndị mmadụ adịghị akwezi ka mekaniki mara ndị bụ ndị ala onwezi ife ụfọdụ ihe ị na-eche n'eziokwu emechaa ọ bụ na-asị maka ụfọdụ na-asị kịta na ihe a Blessing CEO na-eme na soshal midia na-asị na ihe a ka ọ na-eme oge ọbụla na ihe eji wee mara ya amarụ na efere mba ụwa na ọ pụta etu a ọ na-eme ihe iche n'eziokwu emechi ihe niile ahụ ọ kọrọ abụrụ asị mana ka esi ka mmadụ ga-esi wee ji kansa ihe dị na kansa wee na-egwu egwu biko na onye ji ihe dịka kansa pụta n'efere mba ụwa si na o nwee kansa ntụtụ ya na-adasịsị o jezie na salon sisi kpụchazie ya isi na-ebe na-elekọta ihe niile o nwe ma ụgbọala ya ma unyi ma akwa ya ka o wee nwee ego wee jee na-eje n'ụlọ ọgwụ biko na aghọtakwa m ụdị ihe a na mmadụ ga-eji ụdị ihe a kansa wee na-egwu egwu isi na ị nwere ya mana ị nweghị ihe biko ama m ihe unu chekwa na ihe onyonyo a ihe nke a na-akụzikwara anyị ihe gị bụ nwaanyị na-agbanyeghị afọ one dị biko iteta ụla n'ụtụtụ ma n'abalị befe ịlahụ ụla idinarụ ana ofu akụkụ I think nọọ ka esi eme bịa ka mụnwa na-eme ịpịrị aka n'ala gị ịpịrị n'elu ịpịrị n'ala pichachacha ya ọfụma o nwee mkpụrụ ịfụrụ n'agbanyeghị etu o si wee pee mpe biko gbawakwa jebe ụlọọgwụ eruo nene ya ọ bụ na ọ dị cancerous ka ndị oyibo si asụ ewopie ka ị nwere onwe gị ka ọ hapụ ịbụ ịhapụ egwu ana ụfọdụ egwu ana tee njekwa na asị na ọ kansa ka ihe m eme njekwa n'ụlọ ọgwụ a kịta dọkịta asị na ọ dị cancerous hei anwụ ibido mba biko jee n'oge na asị na eme ngwa ngwa emegharị ọdachi ọkwa ụbọchị na-enenye onwe ihe ịchọpụta jee ije ya onwe ihe ga-eme ga-achọpụta ha nye ozugbo ewopie ị nwere onwe gị ino ka ị ga-esi na-ebi aka onwe ka esi eme ije na YouTube isi a ka esi echeki kansa ọ ga-egosi gị ka ị ga-esi na-ebie bikonu ọya kansa ajọka ama ma Blessing ama ume eme ihe a ma ọ na ọma ha amaghọ ma unu ga-anụkwa ihe ndị mmadụ kwugasịrị ebe a na ụfọdụ nọ ihe ọ na-eme mana m wee kwetekwa na mmadụ ga-abịa were ihe dịka kansa wee bịa gụba egwu n'efere mba ụwa mba biko getọpụ na ihe ọ na-ekwu ka m mara ihe iche na ihe onyonyo a biko nụ ka ọ dịrị na anyị niile mma unu echezọkwa na ịlaik ishie ịsọbskraịb daalụnụ ndị be anyị ngwa ka anyị na-enetọpụ ihe ọgwụ ka mma ma eziokwu ka asị deru m ebumnobi gị ma iche na ọ na-ekwu eziokwu ka iche na ọ na-asị asị n'ihe ọ pụtara na-ebe akwa na ntụtụ ya na-adasịsị ndewo na ụmụnne m
Otu ị ga-esi eme ya ihe mma na ị ga-eme amaghị m otu ị ga-esi eme ya ihe mma na ị ga-eme ya amaghị m otu ị ga-esi eme ya ihe mma na ị ga-eme ya amaghị m otu ị ga-esi eme ya ihe mma na ị ga-eme ya amaghị m otu ị ga-esi eme ya ihe mma na ị ga-eme ya Daddy, amaghị m otu ị ga-esi eme ya ihe mma na ị ga-eme ya I'm so scared. scared. So scared. I'm 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 so scared. So I'm gonna tell every woman out there, please, when you wake up in the morning, you know, touch your boobs and be sure that there's no lump. When you wake up in the morning, just check yourself. For me, it started up like a lump. I was supposed to take it out, but I had a lot going on with me. I had lots of back and forth. So I kept, prolonging it. It's just a lump now. It's not doing anything. I wanted to finish up the things that I needed to do. So I ran all the tests. Initially, they've been managing it. So they ran the tests and they said that the lump is cancerous. So we have to undergo a surgery. So let's know if the cancer has moved. Sometimes it starts from, one of your boobs, maybe to the next one, to your armpit. Starts to get into your bones. I've never been so scared all my life. I've never been so scared all my life. I've never been so scared all my life. Has anyone here gone through cancer? Has anyone of my audience, my lovers, has anyone beat cancer? I don't know how to feel. This point that you've not even started a journey, but I'm already tired. They say I'm supposed to start chemo. I have to lose my hair. I've not finished losing it because it's pulling out already. So I first of all need to lose the side of the braid. It's pulling out already. So I've not even had the strength to go to the salon for them to just lose it so that they can cut the hair. It's all falling off already. I honestly don't even know how to pass through this. I don't know, guys. I don't know. It's as if they tell you that you have cancer. It's like you start to count your number of days. I'm still lying in there and still living in denial.
My prayers are with you in
I
this
refuse to accept it.
difficult.
Somebody said, I swear to God. I swear to God. Right. trying so hard to be strong, my lovers. I'm trying so hard. So hard. I don't know why. Emotions keep running. A lot is going on with me. A lot. Everybody says don't talk. Just bottle it up. But the truth is, you never know where to get solution from. I know my biggest weakness is the fact that I have created a resilient brand. Blessing CEO came out from Brain Strong. Every of my story has been a tough story of a warrior who fights and wins. That is why I don't like to show weakness. Not because I don't go through stuff, but when being strong is the brand you've built, weakness becomes mockery. But I am not okay. I am not okay. Delete the video. You're disgracing her. I am not okay. I use my platform and voice out for other people. I use my platform to fight for people, get help. But I am not okay. I'm not okay. A lot is going on with me.
Chai, ewuchi m ihe ọjọọ adakwasakwa na onye ọbụla. Mgbe ị ga-asị na mgbe a ka ụwa bido tọba gị ụtọ, ofu ọya kpam abịa, ihe niile a bụrụ gịnị, onwezighị ị ga-ejizi ihe ụwa kpọrọ eziokwu na onwekwu ihe eji bụ ụwa kparụ. Mana mgbe ị nọgodo ahụ siri gị ihe ike, ịma mma ihe Chukwu mere gị until ị daa n'ọya, mgbe a ka ị ga-ama na ahụ isi ike a o nweghị ihe dịka ahụ siri mmadụ ike. Ahụ isi ike bụ chacha ihe kachasị ihe niile. Mgbe ahụ siri gị ike, ị na-adọganụ, ị na-adọnị, ị na-adọga, na-apụ na-abata, mana sọọsọ isi ga-awa gị ma mmazi ebe ị nọ, wee buruzie mgbe ihe a na-akpọ kansa. Blessing nwanne m, Chineke mee ebere na ị ga-adị mma, na o nwekwa ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ sikwa n'ọya kansa pụta. Anyị na-ayọ Chineke.
Part of Africans, God forbid. So we are so stupid that we don't know what a stage 4 cancer looks like. You cut your hair halfway and you now use your hand to be dragging it, making us believe that it is too sensitive. God forbid. I reject stage 4 cancer for you. Blessing see you. I reject it for you in Jesus' name, in Ogun name, in Allah name, in Mami Wata name. Do you know what is stage 4? Are you people sympathizing with that? Do you know what a stage 4 cancer do? Are you people learn that? No, they learn that. Do you know what is a stage 4 cancer? I feel it is too sensitive to create content with such. You had to use clip and be bapping your girl. the clones. How do you even call that in clones? Clout, a big clones, chase, a big clout. Oh, it is ridiculous. It is appalling. This country, that's why they will use rape and create content. Use everything to it is.
For those people that said Blessing CEO is lying, that she does not have cancer, the first time I started suspecting something was not right with Blessing was she disappeared for a while. I didn't see her. I was asking. I said, where did Blessing go? I've not been seeing her lately. Hope all is well. I didn't see her. It was now when Izilegbegbe came out with that her Italy thing, a shower for Italy. That was when I now saw her. Blessing CEO did a video, and maybe she said she was feeling sorry for Izilegbegbe. I can't see her. There's somebody don't knock Blessing CEO 2x2 for back of head. They knock her 2x2 for back of her head. Since when Blessing CEO run the pity Izilegbegbe? As in from where now? Where to where? And that was when I knew something was wrong. Even if it is cruise, someone like me cannot take that as a cruise. I cannot take it as a cruise because I've seen a lot of disastrous end for people like Blessing CEO, we enter inside toxic relationship, abusive relationship. And so, even if she's playing pranks, we need to know that you going from one toxic, abusive relationship to another, it leads to cancer and other very deadly diseases as well. If you are in any of such relationship, like the type Bimbo engaged herself and so many other women who ended up not making it alive, like the other woman that sings the gospel music, Ekweme, and so many other women, so many other people, even men too, have unalive in these kinds of relationship. I knew something was wrong with her. Something was not right. And then when I was doing her analysis, a message came. Messages don't come just like that if nothing is happening. So I don't know. This is the result of you not taking yourself seriously on social media. This is the result of it. You always looking for trends. Now the result be this. Now some people go just dating, Blessing, enemy go by, and then nobody go talk anything. Then we just did they catch cruise. Muna live on a cruise in the catch. That is why you should take your life more seriously. If you're out there on social media looking for cheap trends, now this kind of thing go happen. You go cry out, nobody go answer you. They say you won't cash out like easy legwegwe. Now they look for 100 million naira. No be so? Now you sabi. You know consign me. I have done my own bit and we'll wait for you to come tell us what thing they happen. For real. Allegedly.